अस्सलामुअलैकुम।
वालेकुम सर।
जी, आपने अपना पिछला लेसन रिपीट किया। आर यू रेडी टू आंसर माय क्वेश्चंस?
Yes, sir.
So I wish you all tell me a sentence what we used in last lesson.
Begin.
Begin. Okay, tell me a sentence using this.
I began to play cricket with my friends every day.
Very well. Yes, next.
I began to drink water.
I begin.
I began to drink water.
Very well. Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
I began to write letter.
Very well.
I began to study.
Well, माशाल्लाह। तो हमारी क्लास का मकसद क्या है? जो सीखो वो। So ask me question using begin to.
She begins to write.
She begins to write. Very well. Now ask me question using begin.
Do I begin to play cricket with my friends every day?
Yes, you begin to play cricket with your friends every day in the morning.
Do I begin to play games?
No, you don't begin to play cricket.
Do I begin to write letter?
Yes, you begin to write a letter to your mother, no?
Do I begin to study?
Yes, you begin to study. That's why you have improved your English well. MashaAllah. Yes, sister.
Does she begin to write?
No, she doesn't begin to write. She begins to cook rice only. Very well. Present and definite में begin का यूज ऐसे जुमले जिनमें लगता, लगती, लगते, इसके लिए going to भी यूज होता है। Okay, I am repeating. इसके लिए क्या इस्तेमाल होता है? Going to be. लेकिन यहाँ पर हम यूज कर रहे हैं begin. तो अगर पास्ट हो जाए तो क्या होगा? पास्ट में लिखने लगा, वो पढ़ने लगी। Then who will tell? फिर क्या चेंजिंग होगी? वेरी इजी। यस, उसमें वर्ब की फॉर्म क्या हो जाएगी? सेकेंड। लेकिन वो वर्ब की फॉर्म अप्लाई किसमें होगी? बिगिन में। बिगिन से क्या हो जाएगा? बिगेन। शी, मैं लिखने लगा। आई बिगेन टू राइट। वो पढ़ने लगी। शी स्टडी। वेरी वेल। सवाल ये कैसे करेंगे? डिड हाँ, जब डिड आ गया तो फिर वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म हो गई। डिड शी बिगिन टू राइट? यस, शी बिगेन टू राइट, बिगेन टू रीड, बिगेन टू कुक राइट्स। अंडरस्टैंड? क्या मैं लिखने लगा? क्या होगा? Did I? Very well. Did I begin to write? Did I begin to sleep? Did I begin to teach? अच्छा, फ्यूचर में जाएं तो हम वो पढ़ने लगा होगा, वो खेलने लगा होगा, वो सोने लगा होगा, वो वापस जाने लगे होंगे, तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? सिर्फ और सिर्फ विल और शल का इजाफा मजीद होगा, बाकी सेम। फॉर एग्जाम्पल टेल मी। उर्दू फिर इंग्लिश, फ्यूचर में। हरी अप, शाबाश। डोंट वेस्ट द टाइम। मैं लिखने लगा हूँगा।
Shall I begin to write?
सवाल ही ना करें ना, तो सिंपल है।
I begin to write.
I
Shall begin.
I shall begin to write. Yes, miss.
I shall begin to sleep.
Very well. Yes, miss.
I shall begin to eat.
Very well. Yes, miss.
I shall begin to study.
Very well. Yes, mister. अब ये सवालिया बना लें आप।
I shall begin to drink water.
Very well. Sit down. Yes, miss. Make interrogative and ask me.
Shall I begin to write? Shall I begin?
Yes, you will begin to write.
Shall I begin to go?
No, you will not begin to go, because you have to do something more.
Shall I begin to eat?
Yes, you will begin to eat, but after iftar, okay? Ramzan is going to be start from tomorrow.
Shall I begin to study?
Yes, you will begin to study. Yes, Mr.
Shall I begin to drink water?
No, you will not begin to drink water because it will be Ramzan. You will begin to drink water after iftar in the evening. Okay? Yes, miss. Marush. At what time you will begin to come from tomorrow?
I will begin to come in afternoon.
Okay. Yes, miss. What are you beginning to do?
I shall.
Will you begin to play?
Yes, I shall begin to play.
Yes, miss. Will Ahmed begin to drive?
Yes, Ahmed begin to drive.
Will begin to drive.
Will begin to drive.
Yes, miss. Will you begin to go? Will you begin to go?
Yes, I will. Yes, I will begin to go.
Very well. Yes, mister. Will she begin to eat?
Yes, she will begin to eat.
Very well. I hope understand
Yes, sir.
using begin in present, past and
Future.
future. Okay, we will see you tomorrow inshallah with new lesson. Assalamu alaikum.